Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis brought to you by Typhoon 2000 for this Wednesday through Friday, February 23 to 25, 2022. And let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph sat for today, Wednesday evening until tomorrow, Thursday. We still have the warm easterlies affecting eastern sections of Mindanao, Visayas, and the Bicol region. So these areas will have sunny to cloudy conditions with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. While for the next 24 hours, we have here the developing frontal system expecting to traverse extreme Luzon. And together with the Northeast Monsoon, this is another surge of this monsoon system, will affect Northern Luzon and also portions of Eastern Luzon. So expect some windy conditions of 30 to 50 kph with some passing showers, especially along the northern coastline of Cagayan Valley and across the Batanes and Babuyan-Cubaba Islands. Outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure areas and tropical cyclone for the next 5 to 10 days. And elsewhere across the Philippine Islands, they will continue to experience some sunny and clear weather with chances of cloudy conditions and isolated rain showers. And let's take a look at the fast animation. So as you can see here, these are upper level winds blowing from the southeast, and the clouds generated by these upper level winds will push and generate some thunderstorms across the eastern sections of the Visayas and also over the eastern sections of Mindanao. While at the surface level, we have the easterly surface wind flow, while up here the Northeast Monsoon, as you can see here from the latest infrared satellite animation from windy.com. Some small patches of thunderstorms can still be observed across Visayas, particularly Samar area or Samar Island, and elsewhere it's gonna be clear to cloudy skies. And we have here another surge of the Northeast Monsoon with some upper level clouds moving more to the north. And here's the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Saturday. So this afternoon we expect the new surge of the monsoon to affect Northern Luzon with winds of 30 to 50 or 60 kph and some passing cloudiness with light showers. And across the whole of the archipelago, winds will shift from the northeast. And on Friday, the Northeast Monsoon will start to weaken a little bit, but still affecting northern and eastern Luzon down to northern Quezon, while a weak northeasterly surface wind flow will prevail across the whole of Mimaropa, Visayas, and northern and eastern Mindanao. And on Saturday, the Northeast Monsoon will start to weaken, just the northeasterly surface wind flow with its remnants of the monsoon affecting the eastern sections of Visayas. So those facing the Philippine Sea and the Balintang Channel down here to the east of Mindanao, there will be large waves of up to 3 to 4 feet. So please take all necessary precautions, especially if you're small sea crafts, because the waves brought about by the monsoon is much higher as of this time. And if you take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days, courtesy of European model, this is from the windy.com weather app. So by this afternoon, the frontal system will start to move out into the North Philippine Sea with its southernmost part affecting Cagayan Valley, particularly the areas like Tugigaraw and portions of east central Cagayan. And also there could be some showers along the northern portions of Samar and some areas of the Bicol region, and likewise here across eastern Mindanao. And on Friday afternoon, The shear line will start to move into the areas of northern Quezon, Pulilio Island, and there will still be some localized thunderstorms occurring across the island of Mindanao due to the northeasterly surface wind flow. And on Friday, the eastern sections of Luzon and portions of the Bicol region will still continue to have cloudy conditions with some passing light showers becoming more frequent over the areas of northern Caraga, particularly Surigao provinces, Dinagat and Siargao Islands, and also across Zamboanga Peninsula, Lanao provinces, and northern Mindanao. This is due to the possible shear line, okay, from a frontal system way to the northeast of the Philippine Islands. So that's the rain forecast for the next 3 days. And here's the rainfall accumulation that will occur until Saturday. So some rains and thunderstorms will be expected across the portions of northern Luzon, particularly the northern and eastern coastal areas. That includes eastern Cagayan, eastern northern Quezon areas, and eastern Bicol region, and also across the eastern sections of Visayas and the eastern sections of Caraga. That includes Dinagat, Siargao, and Surigao provinces, as well as portions of Davao Oriental. So that's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Saturday. And if we take a look at the latest global tropics hazards and benefits outlook of the Climate Prediction Center from NOAA, this is valid for the next 2 weeks. So for week 1, valid February 23 to March 1, we could expect above average rainfall to occur across Mindanao and eastern and central Visayas because of the ongoing effects of the La Nina, which enhances the shear line, the northeast monsoon with much wetter conditions, as well as the easterly surface wind flow. And on week 2, valid March 2 to 8, there will be a 50-50 chance of above average rainfall across central and southern Luzon, Bicol region, Mimaropa, Sulu Archipelago, Visayas, and Mindanao, but still, this is not yet sure. Okay, so watch out for that. This is mainly due to possible passages of a series of low pressure areas, but we are going to confirm that for next week. So there you go. That's the latest for this Wednesday evening, and we will return on Friday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Be healthy and strong, and thank you so much for watching our channel.